Legally Speaking with Crocker Law Firm.
In a single year in Kentucky, there are thousands of accidents with big trucks. So Cyndi, how are these accidents going to be different from a car accident?
Well, first of all, they're much more likely to result in very severe injury or death, and we certainly have seen that in our practice. The second thing is you need to ask yourself why. Why did this happen? Because truckers honestly are the best drivers on the road. They're professional drivers. They have more experience and more training than any of the rest of us. So we ask, how did this thing happen? And then we go about gathering the proof of why did this happen. Did we have distracted driving? Did we have a very tired driver? Did we have any drug involvement? Was this a good hire? You know, somebody hired this guy to drive a truck. What do we know about his background? And all of that requires some investigation. You need to get in there and find out why. You also want to look at the truck. You know, a lot of these wrecks are caused either by load shifting or by poor maintenance of the vehicle. A tire should not blow out on a semi. They have rules about when those vehicles are supposed to be inspected and the maintenance that they require. And so you want to see the logs of did that actually happen, what was supposed to happen.
So there's really a sense of urgency here as far as being able to get in and gather the information that you need to have a claim.
Yes, if there's ever a case where I want to say hire a lawyer right away, it's going to be a case with the semi because you want to gather that evidence before it starts to disappear. The other important thing about a trucking case that sets it aside is there's generally a lot more coverage. So if I am in an accident and I cause terrible injury to you, I still might only have so much insurance. But in a trucking case, you're going to have $1 million, maybe much more than that in coverage. As you can imagine, if you're in a fight with severe injury and millions of dollars in coverage, you can expect some resistance, and you need someone fighting for you to gather that evidence and make a good resolution of that claim.
All right, great advice. Join us next time for Legally Speaking.